Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable accessibility checks in Google Lighthouse, full guide step by step clearly. To enable accessibility checks in Google Lighthouse, start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots to access the menu. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. Next, choose Developer Tools from the options provided. Once the Developer Tools panel opens, look for the tab labeled Lighthouse. If the Lighthouse tab is not visible, click on the double arrows or plus icon to find it. In the Lighthouse tab, you will see options for various audits. Make sure to check the box next to Accessibility to enable accessibility checks. You can also select additional categories, such as Performance or SEO, if needed. After selecting your desired audit options, ensure the correct device type is set, such as mobile or desktop. To run the audit, click on the Generate Report button. Lighthouse will begin analyzing the page, which may take a few moments. Once the analysis is complete, the report will be displayed. Scroll down to view the accessibility score and detailed results. Each result will provide information on specific accessibility issues. Click on each item to see suggestions for improvement. For further insights, refer to the links provided for each issue listed. You can also save the report for future reference by clicking on the download icon. This allows you to track changes over time as you make improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.